How to turn on profile view history on your TikTok account. Today guys, I will show you how to do this. Just watch this video until the end. Make sure that you like and subscribe in our channel, and see you now. Let's start. First, you will just open your TikTok. Then, as usually when you open TikTok, it's open at home directly. You will just go down on profile, open your profile, then go to this three line here, then go to settings and privacy, go to privacy, click, and go to profile views here, click, and now you have to turn on this option by clicking here on display like this, and that's it. So I hope this video is useful for you. Don't forget to like and subscribe in our channel, and see you next video.